lineups coming in at the top of your screen, presented by Infinity Luxury Cars that deliver inspired performance. John Moore just on with a wrist shot that stopped Moore and Matt Hunwick. Matt Hunwick in the lineup on defense for the Rangers.
Father, a former first-round draft pick of the Rangers.
Jim Malone.
Right.
Long time ago, 1980. Girardi playing it wide of the net, taken off the boards by Moore. Wraparound, stopped by Khudobin. Rangers have had 4 shots on goal. Ron Hainsey in the corner. Had it taken away by Nash. Nash comes around the net and shoots. Save Khudobin. Stahl was in deep looking for the rebound. Back to Ryan Malone. Check there by Jay McClement, who turns and fires. Knocked down. Good job by McDonough. Nash shoots. Save Khudobin. With Ryan Malone setting the screen in front. The puck cleared by Brad Malone. 6:40 into the game. No score. Nathan Gerby. Time Buffalo Sabre turns and fires. And Lundqvist got a piece of it. That puck deflects out of play. Zach Boychuk, number 22, on for Carolina. With Chris Terry, number 25. Shot by Moore off the glove of Khudobin, and Gleason able to move it up. Kept in by Victor Rask. This is Justin Falk moving in. Kevin Klein stays with him. Played all the way across. Now Rask moving in. Saved by Lundqvist. The net got knocked off. Hit by Chris Terry. Now Justin Falk and Riley Nash. Bring on Tanner Glass. Girardi with a hit on Chris Terry. That shot by Nash, saved by Lundqvist, and he covers up. His Arizona Coyotes with a big win, 7-4 over Edmonton.
Boy, Edmonton's off to a tough start again, I think.
Goaltending. Michael Bodker, or Mikhail Bodker, with a hat trick for Arizona. And that comes on goal. Oh, loose puck. I don't know if Lundqvist wanted to grab it. He pushed it away. Now he makes the save without a stick. Lundqvist misplayed that puck a little bit.
First period with just under 5 minutes to play. As you mentioned, they've held down the shots against down the last number of minutes, and they are working.
On the boards, Lindholm gets there. The long shot stopped by Lundqvist. Moving in, Chris Terry, and that's deflected wide. Good job by Girardi to stay with Terry. Falk across to Harrison. A wrist to save. The rebound wide by McClement. Didn't get all of it on the pass. Overskated the puck. Back the other way. Here comes Carolina. McClement moves in. Carolina dangerous here. Soft shot by Harrison was stopped. Power play is presented by Volkswagen. Rangers' second power play of the game. 0 for 12 on the season. Nash across. Long shot. Save. Khudobin on a good shot by Ryan McDonough. And Louis to Nash. To McDonough. To Stempniak. That blocked by Belmore. Nash. Kreider battling in front. Nash to St. Louis. Cross. Shot went off. The stick of Khudobin might have gone off the crossbar and into the netting. And again, Belmore. Long shot by Kreider around the boards to Nash. Double team. Taken away. Nice play by Victor Rask. Nash takes it right back. Kreider with a shot. Save Khudobin. The rebound cleared away. Teams are at full strength. Gerby. 4-on-3 across. Pass broken up. Nice play by Zuccarello. Quick turn. Ryan Malone. 2-on-1. Moving in Brassard. And a nice check by Harrison. In front, Malone, and the shot blocked. Brassard to Girardi. We got a shot off block. Brassard puts it into the crease. A man scramble in the crease. And everybody trying to find the puck. And the referee finally blows the whistle and stops it. He's been outshot 15-10, but had the first shots early. Duclair drives to the net. And a penalty called. Duclair's got it again. Delayed penalty on Carolina. Strong move to the net by Anthony Duclair. Stempniak to McDonough. Toward the net. Off the side of the net. McDonough's got it. Excuse me. It was played by Kreider to Nash. The long shot by Stempniak. A save by Khudobin, and he holds it. Undermanned. Missing some of their top players. And playing a strong road game. Zuccarello gets it through. John Moore with a drive and a save. Khudobin. He juggled it off his chest and was able to glove it. Barty off the skate. Out to John Moore. Ryan Malone sets up in front. Girardi toward the front. Save on it. The redirection. Save on the shot by Brassard. Malone shoots wide. The power play is over. Dominic Moore pulls up. Gets it to Kevin Klein. It's poked away. Now it's Moore again with a shot. Saved by Khudobin. And Dominic Moore. Semin out to Justin Falk. Big drive. Stick save. Lundqvist. Paluski's got it. To Falk. That was blocked out of the zone by Dominic Moore. Guards got it. Zuccarello's shot deflected wide.
Carolina line cut out there on a long shift.
Brassard pass back. Shot by Klein. Save Khudobin. Rebound a save by Khudobin on Matt Hunway. Put out in front. Through to Murphy. Now Chris Terry. And it deflects in. It was tipped in front. And it gets by Henrik Lundqvist, and Carolina has the first goal of the game, leading 1-0.
Well, Tim Gleason, the defenseman, dumped the puck. He goes and gets it, throws it back in front. And did this hit Zuccarello or someone in front? There it comes again. And hit directly in front, and then glanced off Lundqvist.
Hayes carrying, leads for Stempniak. Give away to Hayes. Pass across, found the man. John Moore saved by Khudobin with a glove.
Well, what a play by Hayes.
That was McDonough, not Moore, excuse me.
Hayes.
The seconds of the period. Lundqvist fires it around the board. Stopped by Murphy. Toward the net. Off the skate of Girardi. He tried to block it and went on goal. And Lundqvist had to make a tough save.
Yeah.
Murphy fires. Knocked away by Lundqvist. Final seconds of the power play. Rask. In deep. Derby. Open man save by Lundqvist on Murphy.
Yeah,
good passing by Carolina. Long shot by Semin was stopped. Rangers trailing 1-0. Hagelin moves in with Stempniak. Shot blocked. He gets another one. Save Khudobin. Oh, good chance for Lee Stempniak. And then coming to the Garden. Brassard drops it back. McDonough the drive. Save. Khudobin the rebound. Goes into the corner. Ryan Malone kept it alive. Brassard behind the net. Out to Girardi, and it bounced off his stick out of the zone. Ryder deep to Duclair. Pass by the youngster. Toward the net, wide. Stahl comes down, blocks the clearing attempt. Moore's long shot. Khudobin dropped it, lost control, but got a fast whistle. And afterwards, Stahl involved.
Effort by Nash. He fought through a couple of players to get to the net.
Nice play by Nash. Save Khudobin. Another save. Oh, Nash has made a couple of brilliant plays. All the way around to Brassard. Brassard, Zuccarello, and Kreider, the line here for the Rangers. Zuccarello finds Girardi. Toward the net. Score! A deflection in front. The Rangers have tied it at 1. Might have been Zuccarello.
You know, John Giannone reported before the period started about Scott Arniel, associate head coach, telling him, get the puck in and go get it. That's exactly what happened. Zuccarello dumps it in. Now Kreider gets in. They get a lot of pressure down the offensive zone. And then Zuccarello ends up going back to the front and gets a piece of that. Girardi head up all the way. And what a deflection. Oh, it wasn't. I think it was Brassard. Keep the momentum going, and it turns into a tying goal.
Good effort by the Rangers as they've come back to tie it. That shot stopped by Lundqvist. It's out of the zone. Now Boychuk trying to take it away from Nash. Nash's clearing attempt was stopped. Shot by Falk, saved by Lundqvist, and he holds it. 8:14 to go. Girardi with a hit on Lindholm in the corner. Shot by Belmore was blocked. It was Lindholm, saved, made by Lundqvist. Lindholm, dangerous player.
Again, to pick the pocket of Rask.
Girardi for Rick Nash. Nash against Justin Falk. Shoots, save. Khudobin was off the glass, picked up by Stempniak, but knocked away. Murphy back. Stempniak drives in and shoots, blocked by Murphy. Stempniak has it back. Stempniak with Rick Nash. McDonough and Girardi. Stempniak circling. Feeds Girardi. Toward the net. Save Khudobin. And he covers up. Nash. He's been the hot man so far this season. Nash against Khudobin. He scores! Is up. Ryan Murphy in against Lundqvist. Save Lundqvist! Rangers win it!